Good morning, students. Today we're going to see about the tree. Now, tree is what? Tree is a data structure. We are talking about the data structure tree, not other natural tree. That is okay. So here we are talking about the data structure tree that is of. If you see a figure here, this is called as tree. Okay, this is how we search for the data. Now, if you see this alphabet that is written here, these are called as datas. Now we have learned how to store the data and how to search the data using a different method. So this tree is also one of the method. So once the data is stored in the memory, how we can search, how exactly the searching is going on in the computer. When manually we don't go and search, we just give a command to the computer, and how the computer fetches the data from the memory. Okay, so tree, how do you define a tree? Tree can be a single and the double linked list, and it contains number of links linking with each other, containing two. If there are two types, that is single and double linked list, that we have learned. And so this is called as tree, and tree are of two types. There are two types of tree, that is binary tree and binary search tree. Today we will see what is a binary tree. Now binary tree is a data structure in which nodes should have almost two branches. Okay, and there may be two nodes, single nodes and no nodes. Now here this is called as now binary tree search. Binary tree search, let us see this tree. Okay, now every tree, if you think of a normal tree, a real life example or real time example, if you see a natural tree, you can see there is a root, there is a parent node, there is a child node. Now here this is a becomes the root. Okay, this is called as root, and every root, it will have two parents. That will be either B or I, any alphabet can be written. Okay, so we are just learning here what is a root, what is a parent node, what is a child node. So every tree will have a root, and every root will have got two parent nodes. Okay, and that is, these parent nodes are called as predecessors. And this parent nodes, each of the parent nodes, again they will have two. Okay, it will also have another two child, this will have another two child. So like that, every child will also have either one or two. So there is a sibling that becomes. Okay, there is a sibling that happens here. So this is called as binary tree. Now there are some terms that is given here. Let us know what is called as parent node. Parent node, where other nodes branches out. Now if you see, A is a parent node and there are so many branches of that, so this is known as parent. Child node, branch node from a node are called as child node. Branch node from a node, from here it is becoming the child node. Okay, and grandchildren, the node branching out from the node. Now these are all the grandchildren. Okay, so like this you can just read these definitions that is there. Now the main feature, you can see what is the main feature of the binary tree. The binary tree contains only one root node, and each node possesses two child node. As I said, the node must only have one parent node. Okay, every node will have only one parent node, and predecessor node can never be a child node. Okay, you can see that figure, and please go through this feature, you will understand clearly what is it. Now other thing is a root. If you see, how do you define a root? A root, starting node of a binary tree. Okay, starting node, as we said, A become a starting node, so that is called as root. And then subtree below to that, whatever the children, we get the children, they are called as subtrees. What is the height of a tree? Height of the tree, what do you mean by height of the tree? Okay, if you see here, this is called as here one, this is one row. Okay, this is one row, this is this. Okay, so here what is the height of the tree? That is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so height of the this becomes the height of the tree. How to calculate the level of the tree? Level of the tree means how much that particular tree has been extended. So that is, this is a formula to find the level of the tree. That is height minus 1. So that is 5 minus 1 equals to 4. Path of the tree means how the searching is going on in the tree. Okay, what is the predecessors? Predecessors are the parent node. Successor, they are the child node. Sibling means below to the successor comes the siblings. And the leaves, so these are the definitions and example given very clearly. You can just go through and check the diagram. Once you do that, you will easily get it what is happening here. And next class we will see what is a binary tree traverser. Okay, we will see how to go and search. There are certain formula that we will be following, and then we'll try to search the data, how exactly we can go and search for the data.